Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with the pronunciation of brands of cars in English. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel or haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice these words in English together. Please give it a try. Last week, we did the brands of cars in English part 1. So if you didn't see that, please go back and watch that video first. Otherwise, let's continue and practice together. Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Land Rover, Land Rover, Land Rover. Lexus, Lexus, Lexus. Lincoln, Lincoln, Lincoln. Lotus, Lotus, Lotus. Maserati, Maserati, Maserati. Mazda, Mazda, Mazda. Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz. Mini, Mini, Mini. Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi. Nissan, Nissan, Nissan. Pontiac, Pontiac, Pontiac. Porsche, Porsche, Porsche. Ram, Ram, Ram. Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce. Saab, Saab, Saab. Subaru, Subaru, Subaru. Suzuki, Suzuki, Suzuki. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Toyota, Toyota, Toyota. Volkswagen, Volkswagen, Volkswagen. Volvo, Volvo, Volvo. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help our channel. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.